The hardest part of Bitcoin mining is not the machine, it is everything around it. Power, repairs, uptime, communication. That is where operations win or lose. Most people do not fail at mining, they fail at operations. This is simple mining. We sell, host, and repair Bitcoin miners. We make mining simple, accessible, and profitable. Built on three principles: uptime, simplicity, and communication. We source the machines. We provide the power. We run the operation. Today, we support a global client base large enough to cover more than 40,000 machines. With precision billing, a custom dashboard, and one of the strongest repair operations in North America, the experience is built for long-term ownership. This is not just hosting. This is a managed operation, white glove from day one. In 2025, we expanded into our newest hydro facility, creating a more reliable environment for long-term operations. We strengthened the team and kept improving the customer experience. In 2026, we bring more hydro capacity and additional large-scale sites online. We are building toward 500 megawatts of energy infrastructure. More scale, same standard. But the foundation does not change. We keep machines running. We keep clients informed. We keep it simple. This is simple mining.